Hi kids, good morning. How are you for today? I hope you are well today. So for today's activity, we will be doing the activity we call it painting with circles. So for the materials, we will be needing some plastic cup, different kinds of color paint, and some blank paper or construction paper, and some paintbrush. So the first thing we need to do is to get the cup. We're going to put some paint at the bottom. And then we will going to dip this one into the blank paper. And then the next one we can use a different color. I'll be using the pink color one for the next one. This is our art one. Then we can put more circle one. I will be using the purple one. And then the black one, black color one. So here is our painting with circle. So here is our third activity. It's painting with circle. It depends on you if you want to choose the circle, the bigger circle or the small one. It's up to you, and you have you can choose the different color, your desired color. So that's the end of our third activity for today. Hope you enjoy and have a great day. See you all on our next activity. Bye.